Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya, and today I'll show you in this video very attractive and latest collection of short hair style in undercut. With beautiful hair dye. Trendy ideas of haircut. And many much more latest collection, latest ideas. Different ideas of hairstyling, fine hairstyle. Wavy curly hairstyling. Messy hairstyles with a collection of spiky hairstyle with a spike with undercut. Different art of undercut. Some ideas in lines. Some ideas, electric designs. Scroll designs, zigzag designs. A very beautiful collection of shade and undercut art. The ideas of hair dye, blonde color. Burgundy color. Light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color. Some ideas in funky colors. Many much more latest and trendy collection ideas of short hair style in undercut for girls and boys you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice. Very stylish and you look gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I trust you. Please do subscribe my channel. My video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. Please really support me, support my channel. I can't live without your support or help, so I hope you do this and share it your all over social media accounts. So thank you so much for watching my video. Take care and bye bye.